Welcome back to the channel, and for those of you that are new, welcome for the first time. Today we're going to be doing a little sneak peek tour of the Costco Business Center. It's not your regular Costco, it's called the Costco Business Center. They sell much larger quantities, much larger bulk. They don't have toys and they don't have a food court. So we'll get you a little bit of a tour and show you exactly what they carry and why you should potentially shop here. Hang out till the end of the video and I'll show you exactly how you can buy through the wholesalers from Costco and skip the middleman. Hang tight. As you can see there, like I said, it's called the Costco Business Center. There's about 28 locations in the US, so pop it into Google and see if there's one near you. All right, so we just stepped foot in. As you can see, obviously you've got a large heating dish there. A lot of commercial grade stuff in Costco. We've got some blenders. We've got some water dispensers and diffusers. They do have electronics. Got some scales, commercial deep fryers, microwave, convection ovens. Got some 900 count baby wipes, flushable tablets, diapers in extra bulk. You won't see this at your regular Costco. Got Kirkland brand, Huggies brand, $49.99 for 126 count. If you're looking for 5 gallons of Dawn Professional dish detergent, Costco Business Center is your place. Again, very unique items, something you won't find at your regular Costco or online. You've got 16-inch pizza boxes. You've got 14-inch pizza boxes. You've got 10-inch pizza boxes. You have 12-inch pizza boxes. You've got paper bags, packing supplies. Anything you need to run a restaurant or a business in general, Costco Business Center is your place. All your paper and plastic cups that you get at your restaurants and your to-go orders probably come from the Costco Business Center. As you can see, full of paper and plastic cups, recycled elements, bowls, plates, utensils, all the drinks you could possibly imagine and that you see in restaurant and bars. San Pellegrino, Canada Dry, Jarritos. All the sodas are going to be over there. Much different atmosphere in here and much different products than your regular Costco. If you have a Costco Business Center in your area, I'd suggest taking a peek. You might be pleasantly surprised. Australian halal, $4.39. You've got New Zealand halal, Australian halal. You've got whole goats for $4.79 a pound. And then you've got whole lamb, as you can see right there, at $5.19 a pound. So if you're looking for some goat or some lamb, Costco Business Center, check this place out. This is insane. White shrimp for $37.99. Got some farm-raised shrimp, which you should never buy farm-raised. You've got that here. Wild Dungeness crab, as you can see right there, $142.99 for the pack. About 10 total pounds of Dungeness crab. Lobster tails, $122.99 for a 5-pound case. Snow crab legs, $109.99. 10 pounds snow crab. And then more shrimp. Whole duck, $3.79 per pound. French fries. Got some Cornish game hens, $26.99. 50-pound bag of potatoes, $12.59. 50-pound bag of yellow onions, $12.99. 25-pound bag of red onions, $9.39. So if you need extra bulk, this is your place. 2-pound bag of garlic, $5.99. Some bone-in pork shoulder butt. As you guys can see, the prices here. Got $35.66 at 18.87 pounds. So comes out to $1.89 per pound. Got a bunch of these sitting here. Got some diced beef, carne asada, 10 pound for $35. And then beef chuck rib. So we just stepped into the meat and deli section. So at your regular Costco's where you get your milk and your eggs, that little section that's refrigerated, this entire room is refrigerated. It's got your meats and cheeses and anything that you'll need for a potluck, a picnic, or the Super Bowl. So I'll try and pinpoint some top items that I think in here, and then we'll get out of here. It's kind of cold. Look at all pork shoulder butt, $1.89 a pound. Boneless pork meat, $1.69 a pound. Got your pork tenderloin, $10 on sale. Your beef ribeye, whole USDA prime, $16.99. So much meat in this section. It's insane. New York strip, $11.99. Flank steak, $7.59. So if you break it down, you're at $79.09 for the whole package, 10.42 pounds, so $7.59 a pound. Skirt steak, top sirloin. Got your beef tri-tip, $158.92, 19.89 pounds, so $7.99 a pound. Look at all the options. Got your ground turkey, whole chickens, whole turkeys, turkey legs, chicken legs, diced chicken. Your 3 pounds of chorizo, $6.29. Look at that. That looks awesome. Need cheese? Costco Business Centers got you covered. All the cheeses you could possibly imagine. Much larger quantities as well. Havarti cheese, Swiss cheese, cheddar cheese. Need 15 dozen eggs, 180 count, $19.99. More eggs. Quail eggs. Cage-free egg whites. Liquid whole eggs with citric acid. They also have a bunch of unique cheeses that you'll spend a bunch of time running around to different grocery stores for. So you got Gorgonzola cheese, you've got Gouda cheese, Irish cheese, feta, goat cheese, paneer cheese, I believe that's how you say that, mascarpone, cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, and your Mexican cheeses. So your crema, Oaxaca queso, queso fresco, mozzarella, extra sharp cheddar, pepper jack, mild cheddar. Pork belly, skin on, $3.89. Look at all these pork bellies. A 10-pound tub of chicken bouillon, 10-pound tub of beef bouillon, a 5-gallon bucket of crinkled dill chips for $30.49. If you're a pickle person, there you go. Pork adobada, $26.99. Look at that, it looks awesome. Beef tongue, ground pork. Got some lengua, $8.99 a pound for lengua. Got some tripe for your menudo, chuck meat. Your pork spare ribs, $1.99. All ribs, pork tenderloins. St. Louis ribs, $2.99. Grass-fed New Zealand beef, 13.96 pounds for $2.29 a pound. Some eye of round. Some skirt steak over here. Tenderloin. Chuck roll. Your sirloin steaks here, $26.99. Those look pretty good. Your beef tri-tip, $7.99 a pound. USDA Select, $158.92. So $7.99 a pound at almost 20 pounds. Your beef ribeye, your whole, $12.29 a pound. You haven't seen prices that low for steak in many, many years. So you got your beef ribeye whole, $12.29 a pound. This one's $13.99 a pound. 15 pounds for this whole beast. And then $16.99. You buy a whole case, $1,400, 92.1 pounds at $15.29 a pound. And you've got all your farm-raised salmon. Remember my last video about the salmon poke? Don't buy farm-raised salmon. Got hot dogs. Some cooked octopus, $22.99. And of course all your deli meats. So your ham, your turkey, your chicken, all your deli meats are going to be in here as well. Cooked corned beef brisket. Look at that. $7.89 a pound. All right, like I said, a little bit of a different video today. I know a lot of people haven't heard of the Costco Business Center, so really just kind of wanted to come over here, give you guys a little bit of a tour. That's just a quarter of the entire store. There's so many different products and items in here as well. So if you're looking to cook for the Super Bowl, have a giant party, Costco Business Center might save you some money and give you some more bulk. So I hope you enjoyed that, kind of giving you a little sneak peek to the Costco Business Center. Like I said, we're not cooking anything today, but Costco Business Center has come up about 2 or 3 times in the past couple weeks, having discussions with friends and family and followers as well. So I wanted to share exactly what they have to offer. Again, extra bulk. They have so many different meat and cheese selections, as obviously you saw in there. And then while we're on the Costco kick, one more thing, and I'll throw the website right here up on the screen, but it's called Costco Next. What it does is it skips the middleman. It is Costco, but you can buy directly through the manufacturer and skip the middleman and save some prices. So check out Costco Next if you're in the market to buy something. Hope you enjoyed that video, something a little bit different this time, and we'll see you back in the kitchen here in just a few days.